Hey there, so today I want to touch base on discomfort. And so in all of the years that I've been teaching about essential oils and natural wellness, discomfort, otherwise known as pain or injuries, is always one of the hot topics. And everybody's wondering, like, what can I use? Well, the cool thing is there's a ton of different products that doTERRA has that you can use to soothe discomfort. Probably one of the most popular blends is the Deep Blue. And so this is a blend of essential oils in a cream form. A lot of people compare it to BioFreeze, but as my son would say, it's way better. And then there's now the Deep Blue Stick, which combines the Deep Blue Essential Oil blend with Copaiba Essential Oil. And so Copaiba Essential Oil is a resin-like oil that's tapped out of trees in the Brazil area. And it just has a lot of soothing benefits to the tissue. It's also great for the skin. But since this video is all about discomfort and touching on topics about it, but the first thing that I want to touch base on is if you're interested in learning more about the products that I'm going to talk about, in the description below, I have a link where you can join a free online course where you can learn about all the products that I'm talking about as far as discomfort and a few additional topics. As well as other topics, which you'll also read about those in the comments below. And we call this our essential oil experience. And so it gives you an opportunity to read about the products that are the top ones, in these categories. But then there's also a second option where you can actually pay for the shipping and the supplies and receive 3 samples in this category. So in the discomfort category, you're going to get a sample of Deep Blue. It's in the form of packets, and so you can just try this out on those achy areas. You're also going to get a sample of Copaiba capsules. A lot of people really enjoy using that one on a daily basis instead of using some of those over-the-counters. And then the other essential oil, which a lot of people don't think about, but maybe they do, is Peppermint Essential Oil. That one is really cooling and soothing to the muscles. And so if you're interested in joining our online course, like I said, go in the description below. There's a link. You can go and look at it for free, or you can request some samples and look at the course. Some of the other essential oils that I have recommended, and there's definitely some supplements too, but that could turn this into a really long video. So a couple of my other favorites would be Aromatouch. This is, again, a blend of essential oils. It's called the Massage Blend. So I think of, like, this is our workout area. And when I start out new workout routines, my muscles are really fatigued, and especially my low back. After 20 years of milking cows, 4 epidurals with the 4 kids that we had, I have back injuries. And so for me, anytime I start something new, I am constantly massaging this essential oil into all of my muscle groups. Even soaking in an Epsom salt bath with this essential oil just to relax those muscles as I try to strengthen them. Another essential oil that a lot of people like is the Past Tense blend. And so with this blend, it's very cooling, soothing, and warming at the same time. And a lot of people like it for the head and neck tension. It's referred to as the tension blend. And so you can use it straight out of the bottle like this, or I like to DIY it. And doTERRA has some really nice empty roller bottles, and you can either pour this right into the roller bottle, you could dilute it in the roller bottle, and then you have it to where you can just rub it on the neck and shoulders. And a lot of people have asked, why does doTERRA have Past Tense and Wintergreen in child safety cap bottles? Well, a few years back, the FDA decided Wintergreen to be one of those essential oils that should be in a child safety lock type cap. So anything that has wintergreen in it in the doTERRA arena, you're going to notice has a child safety lock on it. But just know that you can DIY this and put it in a roller bottle. And then along with the Copaiba, it also comes in an essential oil. So you have 2 drops in a soft gel form, or you have the essential oil. And so those are some of my top picks for essential oils for discomfort. So whether you're starting a new workout routine, or maybe you just overdid it at the gym or playing with the kids, or maybe you bent over and picked up a pencil. I've had my back go out just doing that. These would definitely be some of the tools that I would go to start relieving that achiness and that discomfort. If you have something more long-term, feel free to reach out to me and we can talk about some suggestions. Have a great day.